Hey beautiful people, so welcome to a new vlog. We are in our car about to head out. We are going on a trip. Today is a Tuesday and the trip is tomorrow, but don't be alarmed. I started packing from last night because I told myself I do not want any headache. I just want to go to bed early tonight, so I started the packing process from last night. So I'm just gonna go on the road right now, run some little errands that is essential for my trip, and then we come back. We're gonna finish our packing process together. I do have my packing list. I can show you that. We can go through that together. I did get some Amazon stuff that I think were essential to me, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Amazon as well. And yeah, we are ready for our trip. Super excited. I did my press-ons I think last week, yeah, over a week ago. So what had happened, there are two of them that came off. So yeah, it was last week I did, you're right, yeah. So I need to get these press-ons back on, and yeah, so super excited. Let's just rush on the road right now, come back, and we will get into this packing together. Hope you guys are well. It was raining earlier, but it stopped, so I'm not sure how the quality is looking right now, but it's kind of darkish outside. But we gotta go because we got things to do and we need to hurry up before the traffic starts. It's moving on to 3 o'clock, and I actually wanted to leave my house for a morning to just get this done, and even just we pack together daytime, because nighttime in my apartment is just not the best quality, and not enough. The light is just not whatever. But anyways, enough of the rambling. I need to go. I will see you guys later when I'm back home so we can finish our processing for our trip. I won't tell you guys yet where I'm going, but yeah, we will see what happens. Let's go. It's raining cats and dogs outside. Guys, it has been raining cats and dogs, and I'm just like in Popeye's parking lot right now. I just, got some chicken, some food. Like, I'm extremely starving. I'm so repetitive, right? Like, I'm always, once I'm on the road, I'm hungry. Like, I don't eat before I leave my house and just all of that nonsense. But I did have food I think around 11 a.m. and now it's after 5, so I can be hungry, right? I am finished with all of my errands, but like I said, it's been raining cats and dogs and the traffic is about to build up, and to be honest, I just want to sit and have my food because this would have been the perfect time. Well, like around half an hour ago would have been the perfect time to start heading home when the rain is like crazy, to avoid that crazy traffic. But no, it is all over. The rain has calmed down and it's after 5 o'clock, so it's gonna be high tide of traffic right now. But I'm hungry and I'm just gonna have to stay in the traffic. So our packing video is moving back a couple hours back. I should have been home from no, I should have been home 5 o'clock. No, yeah. By the way, I think I did put you guys on the sweet tea sauce from Popeye's. Like, if you're purchasing your salad from them, always get the sweet tea sauce. If you're buying chicken, anything you're buying from them, just buy the sweet tea sauce. Like, trust me, the sauce hits. Like, it is so good. So I'd always just buy like a side of it. It is so good. Okay, I'm gonna finish eating, then we're gonna head home. We are going to reach at nighttime, but like I said, I'm just so grateful that I started packing last night, so just less headache tonight. But we may still have a long night, so I will catch you guys when we back at home to finish our packing thingy. Just gonna finish eat right now because I am starved. Alright, so we are home. I have been home for quite some time. It is 9:40 in the night. So we are off to a late start already. But yeah, I had some stuff to do and all of that when I got home. And I'm trying to clean up and all of that. Because I will be gone, I should say, for a few days. If I'm breathing hard, I'm kind of tired. Anyway, first thing in packing to sort out for your trip is to have water beside you. Because right now I just feel like I'm so thirsty and I feel like I'm dehydrated. I don't know why. I did have water today though. I think it's because I drank the Pepsi. I stepped up Popeyes today. Anyways, so we're gonna keep our water very, very close beside us because we're gonna need it. All right, so we are gonna get into the stuff that I bought from Amazon. Firstly, this trip is a birthday trip. I'm actually, it's a surprise for her. She has no idea that I'm coming on this trip for her birthday. So then I won't be able to even post this video now until I get there. Because if I post it now, homegirl is gonna know. But anyway, it is a surprise trip for her and I'm just super excited. And it's my first time going to this place too. So I stopped today at the decor store to just get some party items. So I got a happy birthday. I got a crown that says birthday queen. You gotta have the sash. And then just have some of these that we can blow up. And then balloons. Y'all see the vibe? Are y'all seeing the color screen, the color theme that I'm moving towards? So these are rose gold. So I'm just working with a rose gold vibe. So literally everything is rose gold. Yeah, I think that made more sense. Everything is coordinated here. So these need to go in my bag. So some of the stuff now that I purchased from Amazon, I wear a lot of shades. I love sunglasses so much. And you know, the sunglasses, you know, the case are sometimes maybe heavy. So I purchased this on Amazon, glasses cases. And I think they're feeling leathery. It comes in a pack of 2. And yeah, it feels so nice. The quality is good. So I'm definitely gonna pack my shades in these. I am thinking I should be bringing 3 sunglasses. Yeah, it's 3, but I only got 2. So I may have to pack the sunglass in another case. But let's see if it comes with what in here. Okay, so it comes with a glass cleaner in the case. Hope you guys can see because I'm using the back of my camera. Oh, yeah, and it feels good. It's kind of, what is this? Magnetic at the top, which is great. So we're actually gonna pack our glasses in these now, so we won't forget. So the first one that we'll be packing is this cute one that I had showed you guys in the last vlog. So I'm gonna add this in the pink case. Great, and it closes by itself. And then the next one, where's the other one? And the next one, I'm gonna pack my Prada glasses in it. So I'm gonna put it in this case. Because this is not heavy, but yeah, it's gonna take up space based on how bulky it is. And I'm gonna put this on in my personal bag, but let's just put it in this, okay? Because the sunglasses are gonna go in my personal bag regardless. So nothing will happen to them. They won't get squeezed, yada, yada, yada. All right, to add this. Great. So 2 glasses down, and then the last one. So this that I bought from Amazon recently, you guys saw this as well. It already came with this sunglass bag. So I'm just gonna leave it in this, and this is the next glass I'm gonna pack. So I have 1 dark glasses and 2 light brownish colors. That works. Okay, I'm gonna lock this. So everything that we're doing over here, just bring it over here, drop it in my suitcase so nothing gets missing. Now the other thing that I purchased from Amazon, I already opened it and all that because I was super excited and I wanted to test if it worked and all of that. So I got this travel case weight to just check the pound of my bag. So I will be is a carry-on bag. So, you know, you have to be specific and all of that. So I just want to ensure that I don't overpack because I'm not paying no extra money for nothing. So it's a carry-on bag we're working with, not a check bag. So I think this was definitely essential and I've been using it. I've checked it today, no, last night when I started to pack, and it's pretty good. So this is good. It's digital, you just click it, it lights up, and yeah, perfect. So turn this off. So once we're finished packing tonight, we're gonna use this. So add you in the suitcase. So the next thing on the list, where is it? So told you guys it's a carry-on, so we definitely had to have some empty bottles to pack for lotion, anything liquidy that should be within the 100 ml weight quantity. So I bought a pack of these, 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 of them, and they all come with a sticker where you could just write, you know, write whatever is in that bottle. But this was not needed because I already have bottles prior, but I still bought it just in case for the many trips that I'll be going on in the future. Amen, amen. But I'm gonna use the sticker one just in case. I'm gonna take this out right now, and I'm gonna use this to just write down some stuff and ensure that it's labeled, no issues. So we're not gonna be using those bottles. So I also purchased 2 of these. These are clear container, clear bag, sorry, that I can just putting my bottles in it. So lotion, body wash, all of that, whatever I have in my small bottles. I'm gonna pack these in it, and the bags are clear, which is perfect. So no issues. So great. Amazon storefront. So add that. So when I'm traveling, I love a knapsack bag for the personal use, like the tote bag. It's very nice. Like you can match. It's very stylish when you're using a tote bag for your personal bag. But the tote bag can hold so much, and my tote bag that I have is just, it can't fully close. And you know what? I like the feel of a backpack because I can hold stuff in it. It can go on the back of my shoulder. It can go, you know, put on both on my shoulder instead of the tote bag one, you know. Yeah, so I got a bag. I can't remember how much it's for, but y'all know it's down in the description area. So I purchased this cute personal bag. It had to be black because my carry-on is black, so we gotta coordinate. So this bag is pretty cute. It has a lot of compartments, and the great thing about it too, it has I hope it don't smell because wait, let me smell it first, because if it smells away, you know, we can't go use her. Okay, all right, she all right. She's not smelly. That's okay. She doesn't smell. So yeah, what I was saying, the next perfect thing that I love about this is at the back of the bag, it has this thing right here when you can just put it over your suitcase. Same thing like when you're traveling with your coat, your tote bag, you just put it over the suitcase handle. So this one, you just chop it down on the handle and bam, good to go. So I love this. So it has a lot of compartments, like I said. So we're gonna be you know, packing our cash, everything that should not be going in a suitcase. Yeah, I think that's all for my Amazon travel accessories essential. So I hope you guys you know, if you see anything that you like, just go in the description, use my Amazon storefront, and it's all good. So we're gonna start with our packing. Oh, wait a minute. So I did make a list. I'm not sure if you guys can see. So what I had to do, I made it on, you know, the phone that I'm using to currently film. But I did like screenshot it, and I have my list here. Hope you guys can see it. But let's run through it. So first night, I just need to pack a dinner out. So I need to pack 4 dinner outfits. So first night, dinner night, airport fit, Thursday night dinner dress, Friday night swimsuit dinner dress, Saturday swimsuit dinner dress, Sunday we're out, we're leaving. So I already have those. Did I pack 4 dinner? I think I only packed 3 dinner dresses. We're gonna go into the bag again and just double check, but always just make your list to ensure that you're on track. And you know, once you make your list, you just tick it off. So that way, you know, everything is all good. So the next thing that I don't have is a perfume. I did got a perfume recently and that broke. So we're in the airport. So I'm thinking when I get to my destination, I'm just gonna grab like a perfume in the airport because your homegirl ain't got none. Yeah. So that's just on the agenda that we have. Get a perfume, or probably go to the mall and get one, depending. So we'll see what happens. But this strict itinerary that's going on, we're gonna see. But let's jump into the airport. Let's jump into the packing out. I don't know why I keep saying airport. And yeah, let's cue the B-roll.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen.
So dinnerware, sleep clothes, undies, bags, all of that is in this section. So I think this section is finished for now. So let's move on to this side. So over here, of course, you're gonna put your shoes, your toiletries, all of that is needed. So let's see if I can fit. Oh, there is another bag I forgot. So I wanted to bring this white bag. It's not an essential, but I'm just gonna pack it just in case because I'm thinking to bring my white shoes. I haven't decided yet, so we're gonna leave this right here, and based on, you know, if the bag is overweight, I'm just gonna leave the white bag and the white shoes. Yeah, because it's not really essential to me, and I don't want it to squeeze up. I may have to put it in the personal bag as well, based on how this bag is. I definitely don't want it to get dent. So let's leave this section for now, and we need to pack the other stuff. All right, so for my lotion, it's this big ass lotion that I have, and I could have gone to the store to try to get like a travel size, but we ain't gonna do that. So I always walk with, you know, these. Even when I'm going to hotels and stuff like that, my local stays, I just pack my stuff in these. It's just so much easier. and light. Well, it's not easy, okay? You have to be pouring stuff in it, but you know, it's just less hassle pretty much. So this is the problem now. I'm gonna be having to put this in. A lot of squeezing. This one, I have my sunscreen. And then in this one, it's my facial cleanser, but it's done. So I need to refill this as well. All right, so I have packed up all the little liquid stuff in this bag. Got some mouthwash. I made a note of whatever is in these clear bottles. Got some perfume oil. Got somebody, because remember I told you I ain't got no perfumes. I do have these sample perfumes. Just gonna add in here. Mouthwash. And I have the serum. I won't be bringing that toner because it's over the 100 ml. Also, I just think it's letting my face, if y'all see my face for the last probably 2 vlogs, my face looks very bleached out, and I don't bleach. And yeah, I don't like how the products are doing to my face. So I think I'm gonna change the toner, because the toner is a lightening thing, so I probably need to change it to something else and see what happens, but we'll figure that out when we return from our trip. So liquids in here. What else? Liquids. Now our shoes, we got 2 sandals right here. I'm gonna pack these. These sandals are essential. I don't know if I'm gonna bring like a heels yet. I'm still contemplating, because all my dresses that I have, I can wear flats, and I don't know, y'all know sometimes I'm not like a heels girly, so we may just stick to flats, but we'll see. That's gonna be for last resort if our bag isn't overweight. So I'm gonna make, oh, I wonder if this can hold. I need to put the body wash in here, and I also need to pack a bar soap. I always walk with a bar soap. I don't know if it's just me that I just don't bathe with body wash only. Like I have to bathe with a bar soap. I don't know. Let's see if it can hold. I don't want to pack this up. Makeup time. I need to pack all my makeup stuff then. Alright, so makeup bag is set. Everything is in here. Brushes, comb for my hair. Everything is in here. So I need to pack, I'm gonna pack like a regular wipes and also a facial wipes, because we're gonna attempt to wear makeup for this trip. We are gonna try. I can't promise you all night, like every night, but we're gonna try. Okay. And then I'm gonna pack for this. I thinking about not bringing it because it's a bit heavy, so I'm gonna bring this shower gel that I got from Moon Palace instead, and my bar soap, and then I'm gonna pack some panty liners in here, and that will be it for this bag. I forgot shower cap. I actually bought these from Shein. I think it's around 50 in it. They're very thin, but it works, you know. So I'm gonna bring 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 should be good. Got 4 shower cap. I think that's it for this bag. I have a lot of bags. Guys, my day I pack up my feminine stuff and bath products and stuff. Y'all couldn't remind me where was the toothbrush and the floss. So toothbrush, I put like a shaver, toothbrush, and some floss in here. Like I totally forgot. So no, I don't have any toothpaste. The one that I have at home, very, very small, like it literally done. So I'm gonna add to my list to grab some toothpaste tomorrow. So I'm just gonna add that to my list right now before I forget. So crazy. How did I forget though? So I'm gonna be packing my personal bag right now. Let me just double check all the compartments in this bag. I picked it up from a shipping company today, so I'm just gonna check if everything is clear, since you know we're going on a trip. We don't want no problems, so it's just to just check. All right, so looks good. So in our carry-on, we gotta have our purse, of course. So let us ensure that my ID and stuff, just ensure that I have my ID. Okay, so ID is here. There's one thing I haven't done yet, is to call my bank to let them know that I'll be traveling. So we're gonna block the card, or no issues when we're using the card. So I need to call them. So purse in. Then the next thing, we gotta have our passport with our money. Importante. So we got some money here. I actually do need to go to the bank tomorrow and change out some more money, so that we will be doing tomorrow morning before we leave. So I have money here. I'm just gonna put it between my passport and then put it in my bag. We need some lip balm. Like, we can't have no dry lips anywhere we're traveling, so I just have my Vaseline here. We got to pack our shades, so 3 sunglasses. You know, we are a vlogger now, so we need to have this in hand. Yep. And you know, when we're overseas, we'd be just free, not caring if anybody walking around. But when you're in a country, when we're in Jamaica, I don't be walking around like this in public. But when we travel, yeah, when we're at hotels and all of that, we don't care. So gotta pack these as well. Lip gloss. I think that's it. So I'm just gonna quickly just go back through my stuff, and then we're gonna weigh our stuff, and then yeah, that would be it. And then our trip tomorrow. So super excited. I do have my music box, but I don't know if I want to bring. I think I want to bring the music box. So we're gonna test to see how. I mean, this is very light. So the music box me can hold in any one of these bags. So let me just put the music box beside me and just double check if we can add it to stuff. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, that was heavy a while ago just to lift it up off the bed. Oh my god. Let's try this. Let's see. So the carry-on, I know, I think it's about 22 pounds. I pray this is good. I want it to be at least 19 pounds just to offset, just in case this isn't accurate. At least I have space to, you know. Oh my god. Yo, this have passed 22 pounds. Shit. I'm just gonna recheck things again. I did add the heels to it. So, you know, I have 3 sandals and 1 heel. So I may just remove the white sandals and keep the heel. Yeah. All right, so let's revamp this suitcase again. I haven't checked the personal bag as well, so I may can push something in the personal bag. All right, let's try to figure this out again. right guys, so that is a wrap. My bag is 19 something pounds, so that's good. Even if this thing is not accurate, I still have a few pounds just in case. Just packed like the white shoes, the gold shoes is in here. I added my music box, and I added 2 pieces of clothing just to balance everything. So that's it. We'll see what happens when we get to the airport tomorrow. If something is off, we just transfer and whatever, because we ain't paying anything extra. I forgot to show you guys, because I'll be traveling alone and meeting my friends. So I did I'm gonna lock my suitcase. Actually, I think you guys know this from my DR trip. I'm gonna lock my suitcase. Then I did buy a lock for the door as well, so I think that's in the bag. I do want to bring this weight with me because I more than likely I may be purchasing stuff and all of that. So yeah, so I'm just gonna remove, I think battery stuff, the batteries are supposed to be removed with battery operated stuff, so I'm gonna check that. You need to have a pen. Traveling with a pen, baby. All right, actually put it inside my passport and stuff. Let's check the time, guys. I'm super tired. Oh my god, 22:57. that is 10:57. So we are gonna shower. Well, we actually have to wash up some dishes. After the dishes, we're gonna shower and then go to bed. I actually want to start edit this vlog so I can just have it saved up, because I think iPhone is gonna tell me I ain't got no space. But I appreciate you guys for watching my packing essential. For all the stuff that you guys saw on Amazon, remember my description down below. Subscribe, like, let me know how y'all like this video. Also, I am hoping, I think I need another mic, because I think my brother had mentioned like some of my videos are low. I really need to invest in another external mic, that makes sense. But anyways, we will see you in another video, and comment down below to guess where do you guys think I'm going. I know I haven't given any hints at all, because I do not want to. But anyways, later guys, thanks for watching.